Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Chaba, para malusot ka sa wish. Happy birthday, Chaba. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging mapayat ka.
Happy birthday, Chaba! Ingat ka palagi.
Hey, Chaba, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging matalino ka pa at galingan mo sa school. Yun lang, God bless.
Hey Chaba, happy birthday. Good health and maging bibo palalo. At maging magalang nasa paligid mo. I love you.
Hi Clay, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang sa'yo is magpakabait ka palalo kay mami and daddy and mag-aral ka ng mabuti at sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo bukas. Yun lang, love na love ka namin Clay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chaba. Sana paglaki mo is piliin mo palagi yung family mo and sana paglaki mo maging mabait ka at malusog. God bless. Ayun lang, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Clay. Ingat ka palagi. And more birthday to come and more achievement pa makuha mo. Galingan mo palagi and good health sa'yo. Happy birthday, Clay. I love you.
Happy birthday, Chaba! Happy birthday, Chaba! Happiest birthday to you!
I miss you.
Sana mag-play na ulit tayo. I love you. Sana maging matalino ka parang ako.
Happy birthday, Chaba. More asim to come.
Happy birthday, Jasim! Happy birthday, Jasim! Happy birthday, dear Chaba! Happy birthday, Chaba! Love you!
Happy birthday, Chaba! Enjoy your day, mahal. Love you.
Birthday na ni Chaba. Birthday na ni Chaba. Birthday ni Chaba. Ngayon. Happy birthday, best man Chaba.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything.
Hi Clay, happy birthday to you. Always remember how amazing you are and don't forget to thank God for your another birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Clay! So, ayun, enjoy your day. Sana maging healthy ka palalo and chubby. Of course, mabuti and makinig sa mga magulang. Nandito lang kami ng mga pinsan mo para mag-support sa'yo. So, ayun. Happy birthday ulit. Love you. God bless.
Hi Clay, happy birthday na anak. Enjoy your day. Aral pa rin ng mabuti ha. Alam kong super proud pa rin sa'yo si mama at papa mo kasi napakatalino mong bata. Ingat palagi dyan and God bless na anak.
Happy birthday, Chaba. Happy birthday, Chaba. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Chaba. Okay, happy birthday nga pala kay Clay. And ang tanging wish ko, dapat lagi ka lang malusog. Tapos gagaling mo sa school. Tapos lalo ka pang magpakabait. Ayan, maging masunurin, okay? Alright, God bless, bye-bye!
Chaba, happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Tsaka lagi ka may kinig kay Papa Inson. Punta kami mamaya dyan. Kita rin, Chaba.
Happy birthday, Chaba. At sana ma-enjoy mga araw mo. Kung mapapayo ko lang sa'yo ay lagi mo sunod sila. Tita Onet at si Papa Isoy. At tapusin mo muna ang pag-aaral mo.
Happy birthday, Chaba!
I love you.
Mahal ka namin anak. Lagi kang maging mabuti mo. Sumunod ito. Bawasan mo kakulitan mo. Mahal ka namin.
Love you, Chaba.
It's your special day. Time to celebrate. Best birthday to you.